Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable or enable voice prompts for your headphones JBL Tune 520. You have to start by open the application, and now you need to scroll down and find voice prompts. And right here we have it. Tap on it, and if you see this orange background on this slider, it means that voice prompt is active. So to disable it, just click at this slider. And to enable, it's the same. If you can see this gray background on this slider, it means that it's not active. So we need to enable it, and we just click at this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!